We're gonna make my Mustang do this. I actually had no idea how you actually do this to your car. It turns out there's two ways, right? The first way is to change your tune, and basically whenever you hit rev limiter, most cars will pull fuel. Well, you switch it and have it pull spark, right? So whenever you hit red line, it spits fuel out the exhaust. The second method that you can shoot flames with your car is you can get this box off of Amazon or eBay. You can get this for 120 bucks off Amazon, link in the description. I am not responsible if you blow your car up. I'm not responsible. Because if I blow my own car up, I'm not responsible. 120 bucks. If I had a tuner for my car, might be even better, but I don't. So at the end of the day, at the end of this video, whenever you push this switch, it should go kaboom. How many dudes does it take to freaking figure out a bootleg flamethrower kit?
A lot.
Obviously.
A lot of dudes.
Whenever you push this button, it temporarily interrupts the circuit going from the ECU to the spark plugs, and it redirects that spark plug to the tailpipes. So that combines with the unspent fuel coming from the cylinders and makes the exhaust make a big boom. Boom, boom! Bow, bow, bow! This is the harness that has the wires for our spark plugs right here. And there's a purple wire that we're just gonna splice into. Is it one wire that runs all 8 cylinders?
They're all in sync, so technically yes.
Technically yes. Okay. Don't know what technically yes means.
Yeah, I don't think he knows.
Each coil is ran in sync. And
Sync.
you know what? You're not gonna
Sync
understand.
means that they go in order.
Yeah.
Like simultaneously.
That's different.
The red wire in here is going to our switch,
Uh-huh.
where you're gonna push it,
Right.
and the flamethrower is gonna go off.
Pop out!
And then our black wire here is gonna be our ground chassis with this beautiful self-tapping screw.
Okay, so I get to drill things now.
Yes, you get to drill.
No, you gotta hold it sideways. Freaking TikTok Gen Zs.
So right now we're trying to get the wire through these back seats and organize.
No, I got it.
This is a cluster. This is an absolute cluster.
What you doing, Soraya?
We're gonna figure out how to
Words?
thread the wire up to the front.
Okay.
You're thinking it through the panels? Goodness.
I'm gonna get you a wire, okay?
Okay.
This
Is a signal wire.
to that.
So there's
Yeah.
a positive and a negative. So we need
Yeah.
power.
We just need to hook that to the battery, right? But what tells it? I need to read the instructions. Yep, I think we're to that point where we need to read some more instructions.
But you're a man. You don't need instructions. Just figure it out.
Hey, real men know that they need no instruction. Unless it comes to
Just kidding, Kyle. You're on
that.
It's like my audience. This kit actually came with an instruction manual. It's in pretty good English. No need to redline the RPMs, but we want some healthy revs. What is a healthy rev?
Like 100 under red line.
100 red line. Never use a flame box on public roads. Never use in a garage. Never use within 500 feet of a gas station. Never use while anyone is behind the vehicle. We are not reliable for accidents, property damage, running into crowds, blah, blah, blah. Okay.
And we're in.
It's not very tight, but it's in there.
I got it.
Okay, we're trying to route a wire from the harness to the cabin. Soraya gets to do the fun part.
Right. I'm gonna be right against here.
Okay.
The harness that's coming out up through here.
Okay.
Pull back some carpet and see if you see it.
Unfortunately, had to go to Home Depot. We had to get some extra wire because the kit did not give us enough. We had to get some splice butts and we had to get a drill bit for the spark plug. But besides that, we're ready to finish this and shoot flames. Pop out! Good. So this is the second wire for the switch that when you push it, it sends the spark to the tailpipe and makes it go pop out! He's getting the hang of it.
I'm not letting you crimp this.
You see how dry my hands are? I know.
You ashy, bro.
I know. In grade school, they called me granny hands.
Gross.
Mm-hmm.
That's not attractive.
The ladies loved it.
No, they didn't.
They didn't. They're routing this around the firewall so it doesn't get burnt by the engine. By all 8,000 horsepower this thing puts out to the wheel.
about to be 8 when we press that button.
I wasn't joking. Alright, Soraya, you get to hold the fire extinguisher.
Is this empty?
Probably. Can I drill the tailpipe? Master Mechanic Garrett? Of course you can. That was really sus, the way you said that. Is that how you normally talk?
No.
Only when you're working on Fords?
Only when I'm working on cars.
I'm drilling a hole in. Which exhaust are we putting it in?
I moved it like 1/16 of an inch.
Helped.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jevin?
I'm trying to drill a hole for the spark plugs in the Y portion of this exhaust so we can shoot flames out of both tips.
Actually is.
You also have to compensate for the actual nut that you're gonna have to put in there. So if you put it too close to this, the nut won't let you seat it properly. If I were you, I would do it on the inside,
I need to fit my hand up.
outwards, so nobody sees it. Right here.
Math. We were worried that we're going too deep in there to put the nut on there, but look at his hand. He's like,
I think I can go deeper.
This is a comparison.
I can't even.
I'm right here. I'm right here on the exhaust.
How do you do that?
One
knuckle's bigger than your whole fist.
Actually, not for
That's
nothing.
so gross. Oh.
But the exhaust comes off. Right
That's actually
there.
really funny.
That's as far as I got.
You hear me, Gabe?
I guess. Country accent.
Dadgummit.
Alright, we got the hole drilled for the spark plug. And then basically, where's the spark plug? No welder required. Spark plug that comes with the kit.
Twist and pull, twist and pull, twist and pull. There you go.
Alright, spark plug. Goes in like this. Ooh, that's a tight fit. No, it's not that tight. And then Jevin's hand. You're gonna have to have small hands for this. I bet your hand will fit here.
Yeah.
Soraya's hand is gonna go in there. Don't drop the nut. There's only one of them.
Up it.
Where's the big drill bit?
So you gotta like put the hand in there and then feel around for the plug. Yep.
Oh,
And
this
it
is
just
easy.
goes on there. And that's it.
You got it.
How y'all doing over there?
I feel like you're missing out on a lot.
The kit comes with these wires that are already attached. You have to basically cut them, right, to suit your build, your car, or you'll have a bunch of excess. So we're gonna cut them. We have it coming out of the trunk, coming down like this, and then, does that look good, guys?
That's gonna melt the wire. I just figured out how to use a fire extinguisher. Are you gonna freeze to death?
Yeah.
Once I cut this wire, there's no turning around.
I'll give it a little extra stuff. I mean,
Cursing is not allowed.
every time I curse though, you gotta make it like a cashier.
Cha-ching.
Cha-ching.
Look, if Cleus McFarland and Whistling Diesel can go without cussing, so can we.
They do.
How tiny this wire is.
Cuss.
Look at all that sheath for that little tiny wire. Is that, Garrett, is this how spark plug wires are?
Yes.
Interesting. Today I learned.
But you're gonna have to do it a certain.
It's the amperage, not the wire.
Garrett, explain how this works.
So this is like a motorcycle one. We're gonna pull this little boot off right here. And
Uh-huh.
inside here, there's a screw in tip, and
Uh-huh.
that's gonna screw directly into our wiring harness with the boot slid up, and then we'll plug it into the spark plug.
So to be clear, you guys do not have to strip this wire. There is the wire running from our controller.
Yep. To our boot here. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta put this guy on first.
Yep. So it comes apart. You put that guy through there. And then it just screws on. That's it. And we're ready to shoot flames.
Pow, pow, pow.
Is the switch wired up?
Yeah, everything's ready. We're about to shoot flames.
Pow, pow, pow.
We should probably let it warm up first, though.
Yes.
It's installed, but we gotta let it warm up first. All right, this is it. It's installed. How long? How long? How far?
I'm gonna say about right there.
How far, Jevin?
I'll say about that much.
How far, Garrett?
Right here.
How far?
This far.
All right.
I think I'm the most skeptic.
Oh my god. No.
Oh, it pops though. Pops. Holy crap.
It's so loud. My neighbors hate me. That was. Did it make a flame?
Yeah, it made
Made a few?
two, but
It's not like 4-foot flames.
not 4 foot.
We of course after installing this, it's way louder. We thought it would shoot bigger flames, but it is loud. Oh my gosh. Bro, you already know.
Most of the time, like now that we're
You already know.
Oh god.
Came fast like 911 in a white neighborhood.
now that we're caught up.
I came fast like 911 in white neighborhoods. Ain't got no shame about it. She think I'm
It wasn't plugged in.
What wasn't plugged in?
The flames.
So no pow pow?
No, it pow-powed, but there was no boom boom. We literally, dude, we made our, like, it sounds like gunfire, but little baby flames. And we were kind of like, well, maybe it has to be at nighttime. Plug in the wire that runs to the box to work. I don't want to do it again, though, because we already got the cops called once on us, so. We got it done, as you can see. We got it done. The wire wasn't freaking connected. I'm sorry, everyone. I completely clickbait on YouTube Shorts, and they proceeded to drop a comment saying how bad I clickbaited them. The only place we can test this without getting the cops called is my buddy's backyard, as you can see out here.
Bro, whose backyard?
What'd you bring, bro?
I brought s'mores. We're gonna roast some s'mores with the flames.
What are y'all doing?
They asked for s'mores.
Trey got scared laughing at the marshmallow.
It actually has a taste.
Okay, ready? I don't know yet.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers. I totally took your s'mores. Bro, it tastes good.
Oh.
He's ripping a donut.
This is the type of shit that you see and then he flips.
Oh boy. Oh boy. There's no head. Zach, there's no headlights. No, away. Oh no. Wait. I'm gonna call him Yellow Mist.
Yellow mist.
All right, right now we are doing a promo video for Braze on December 21st. We're going to Madisonville and we gotta do a very cool, hopefully very cool. You're spotting.
West side spotting. I
Yeah.
think we got Zach on the east side spotting for us as well.
Zach on the east side, right? Clear on spotters.
I'm just out cooking s'mores with my buddy. What are you doing?
So Mr. Ryder here with Mental Drive wants me to do donuts around his car. He asked if I can do it without hitting him.
I signed the waiver.
He signed the waiver,
I signed the waiver.
and I'm gonna hit him.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing and mixing and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing and mixing and all his reindeers pulling on the like Santa Claus.